If you run out of video ideas and don't know what to post next, I'm going to share 3 methods you can use that helps you to find your next video ideas fast and easy. Alright, the first method is doing research on social media. The point of this method is to find proven topics that are already highly performing for other creators, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Go to any social media platform, YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, type the main keywords of your niche to the search field and look at the videos with the highest view count, but be careful that they should not be videos from large channels. If they are from small to mid-sized channels, then that's okay. You can note down these topics, but don't copy them exactly just one-to-one. Instead, take the topic, but add your own angle, your own experience or your own style to it. So you can make your own content, which will be unique and won't get punished by the algorithms of not being original. Alright, the second method is to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is great to find new video topics, but you need to give the right prompt. Don't just type "give me video ideas about a specific topic." Let's say finance. Start by asking for 6 sub-niches inside your main niche. Then it will generate different sub-niches or subtopics, which will give you more flexibility. And after that, for each subtopic, ask ChatGPT to generate at least 5 questions people usually ask, and it will generate 2 questions. That makes 30 questions in total, which instantly becomes 30 content ideas. And later you can double down on the best performing topics. Method number 3, you can use VidIQ. If you have a YouTube channel, this method is for you. First, you sign up for VidIQ. It's completely free to start. It is a trusted brand. They have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and I am also using VidIQ for my channels for a very long time. After you sign up, connect your channel to VidIQ, and it will give you at least 10 new video ideas every single day, both for shorts and long-form content, specifically for your channel's niche. And if you decide to upgrade it later, you can even get more ideas every single day. And if you use at least one of these methods, then you shouldn't have any more problems with coming up with new video ideas. And if you're a beginner content creator, then make sure to follow me.